Now let's get into a detailed look at these joints. Let's start with the toe box. Soft toe box. Not quite as soft as the OGs though. The OG highs and lows, definitely softer right here, definitely, I'd say. You know, the suede on the front, very soft, smooth suede. And that same type of suede runs here on the side, same color of suede too, all the way on this side tab right here. It's a different texture suede here, and also a different color of pink. Like this pink matches this, and the same with the texture suede. This is a little more of that hairy type of suede right here. Take a look to these side panels right here. This is kind of like it's like a plastic gum sorta. And this is like this kind of pink is like a pig pink. It's like the color of a pig, you know. It's like swan. We're gonna call this swan pink. It's got the swan pink going all across the shoe, right where this the webbing is at. The webbing looks almost non-existent. To be honest, on my pair, the quality control isn't too great on the webbing, to be honest. If you like go in a little closer, you can see it's not the greatest right there, but you know, that shit is bound to happen with any pair of sneakers. It is what it is. More on the shoe. We got some leather here. Right on the tongue, right where the eyelets are. Leather, and that's also a different, as you can see, it's a different tone of pink. It's more of like a darker pink, you know. Right here you could get a good shot and see. This is about, right here on this shot, you can see this is about how many, what? You got 1, 2, 3, you got like 4 different kind of pinks right here. And the tongue, it has another one. It has one similar to it has one of these things similar to this one, but this one you could like put shoelace through. That's what it looks like. And this is more just plain. And it looks like you could take this out and it reveals. Actually, it just reveals another plain one with just the straight. It just got the straight Adidas logo. Now for the strap here, the strap is similar to this is like an Air Force One high type of strap. And it seems like you could take this strap off. Yeah. I'm digging this strap though. Very flexible strap. Get a look at that. Insoles. We got Adidas branding, Bad Bunny branding, pink laces. Get around to the back right here. I think this little drawstring, it's like a JanSport little drawstring right here. Real dope. I like this color pink right here. It's more like a classic pink. And this right here, I wonder why was their reasoning for this. See, like all this ankle part, this is like, it's like a big foamy type. I'm not really into it. I think it works better on the brown pair. That's my knock. And this right here, you see this back heel tab right here, it's kind of not connected to nothing. It's like they just took a piece and just sewed it onto there. It's not like other sneakers where it's the whole sneaker and you pull it up. It just looks a little extra right there. So I'm not really too into that, but look at the midsole. This is sort of like a translucent gum midsole, I'd say. It's like a gummy, translucent. And that's also like a darker shade of pink, as you see. And we got it's more like a regular classic pink outsole. Run it straight through. Bad Bunny logo. Subtly right here. You know. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, man.